Okay, let's see. You guys sit down and let's see if we can scoot it forward a tad because I don't want it too. Sit down.
Are you guys going to sit side by side?
Me and Deidre are.
Oh, that's good.
Wait, are we on?
Okay.
Wait, like, you spit it. Like, what? So it's like,
Oh, that water's so cold. You guys really want to do this?
I don't know.
No, just kidding.
The exit's right there.
You know what's cool about this, you guys? You don't have to change sides that you paddle on,
I'll
and
paddle
Robbie
with my
won't get
hands.
all wet.
I'll paddle with my hands. We're high up here, right? We're really high on this canoe.
Well, you can take one of those pads out.
No, I'm just saying like the seats in general. Right?
it's good.
Yeah, keep them. I was just seeing what you're saying.
Oh, I'm not in yet. No, just.
I thought we were way offshore.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yes.
Just go.
Why aren't you getting in?
He's being cautious.
Why do you have your socks
Here,
on?
Robbie, take this.
He's being cautious.
I'm going for style points.
Yeah, we're ready. You're the one who's not ready.
Like, God, just get in.
God damn it, Dad.
What you guys? You can't be leaning.
I've got it all.
Go get the thing. Don't let it go away.
Dad.
Oh, get the paddles. We gotta get the paddles.
We're not going, are we?
Was it cold? No, it's not even cold. Oh my God, look at all the water.
How do you do that, Dad?
I do a bathroom.
Yes, I am. How is it not your fault?
Okay, so we had a rough start.
Where's the cell phone?
It's in the pocket of
Oh, yeah, that's gone. No, that life jacket helped, man. I saved my life.